Now let's analyze the complexity of Kahn's algorithm. Kahn's algorithm is going to take up order of v plus e time. This is because we are traversing through the complete adjacency list to fill the in degrees of vertices. So we are having a list of size v, and this list, each cell of this list is also containing list. Right. So here the outer for loop will go till v, and the inner for loop will run for these lists present at the cells. And inner loops individually will not go till e, but the total number of elements in all these lists present at the cells will be equal to e. We will be having elements equal to number of edges. And as we go through each element, at the end of the outer for loop, we would have traversed e number of elements. So this makes a total of v plus e. So we have the complexity equal to order of v plus e. Now let's talk about the space complexity. Here we are going to consider the auxiliary space, that is the temporary space allocated by your algorithm to solve the problem with respect to input size. So the space complexity will be order of v, where v is the number of vertices, because we need a queue of size v to store the vertices of graph, right? So the space complexity is order of v, auxiliary space.